Okay. What is going on, guys? Sorry, I'll go here. Okay, yeah, I'm recording. Just had to make sure. Um, I don't... This is just where I spawned at. I spawned way back out here where we started the last video. So I guess I'm walking home after I get these workers going. Guess I better start my long walk to the tractor.
Okay, have fun.
Also, are you sure? Are you sure we can play it?
What do you mean?
Well, if you look, you'll see it's gonna start snowing.
We Okay, so
Oh.
what we're gonna do is...
Wait, is that how you did it? Plow then disc? Okay, just making sure I was doing it right. So yeah, looks like I'm plowing then disking. So that's how you do it? That's the right way?
So what I'm thinking about doing is fixing this.
Right?
It'll get me out of debt, mainly because all of the stuff I bought was necessities.
Okay.
But it'll also make it to where me and Flower can at least afford to take care of our farm. Right now, I'm heading toward bankruptcy. So I'm gonna fix that.
I can explain.
You
This car might have permanent tractor This car may have permanent tractor tracks on its hood now.
I think the car has trauma now.
Please don't sue me! Hello?
I heard.
Now I gotta start another long walk all the way back to the other tractor. But that's... So I'm doing it right? Plow then disc? Okay. Just making sure.
That's the way I do it.
Yeah.
I don't actually know how you do it.
That's how my tractors are doing it. Plow then disc. So now I gotta go get my disking tractor and get it over to this field. While that other... I got the plow tractor going again. Now I need to run all the way back to this field so I can get my disc tractor and get it going. I might have to check the gas in them soon. I forgot to check the gas in my other one. It's only been 2 fields. The gas can't possibly be that low. But hey, last video I did say that... Yeah, I know I'm jaywalking, walking in the middle of the road. But last video I did say that flower predicaments were inevitable. And I guess I decided to go improve it.
Oh, you did more than prove it.
I didn't have any intentions of proving it though. Though I rewatched the footage and it looked like I don't know really what you call it, but like I swerved too fast, causing me to go flying, I guess is how I should put it. Hello?
Yeah?
It looked like what happened was I had swerved too fast and it caused me to go flying. I'm not quite sure what that's called. Or if it's even called anything. Why did I just get 50,000?
I had set it to where we can actually farm. Okay, I fixed our farms. I'm no longer in debt and going into...
Are you gonna fix a time thing where it's not set to 0.5? Like, why was it set to that?
Because I was trying to stop from the day from going by while we were setting everything up. I'll usually do that. When I get ready to record, I'll set it down to a really low number.
Now the next part is gonna be how am I gonna get home now? Now that both...
Honestly, I probably don't need...
My problem? What be my problem.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna need my trailer.
Let me see when the snow is
I'm not
supposed
going
to
that way. I'm
start.
not getting stuck again.
Okay, so the snow is gonna start. So the snow is gonna start in about, well, it's in about 2 hours. In about 2 hours. I say 2 hours because it's almost 14 o'clock.
Well, that's nice. I just wanted to see what that was. I don't know why I gave it several.
Glad
silver.
it's jerk making me walk home.
Now, I do want Flower to go visit 2 fields. She needs to visit 83, and she needs to visit 77.
Why would I do that? You're making me walk home. Meanie.
Fine, no. Well, I'm busy buying things, so. And once I'm done, if you're still walking, I'll pick you up. I think I'll order. Let's go.
So ordering things is more important than me. Got it.
Fine, I'll pick you up.
That was a joke. I see 36. Looks like your tractor's just sitting there waiting to go.
Where in the world are you?
Still walking.
Figured out where you are.
Think
I'm coming.
big. How would you know? Did you peek at my screen?
No, actually, I could see your arrow on my screen.
Did you finish buying your stuff?
Nope.
I thought you were gonna finish.
Car coming.
I thought you were gonna finish buying your stuff.
Well, you.
Guess Glad can't take a simple joke. What are you doing? Oh, you're gonna
Why
let
are
me.
you sitting in the back seat?
I was gonna say, what are you doing? You want me to drive?
Oh, heck no.
Why not? It's not like I proved myself unworthy of driving.
Oh, you already did it by going into the river. I mean, that didn't happen. Right, Flower? Definitely didn't happen.
So what? Are you gonna lead me to the fields, or do I have to find them myself?
You find me.
Fuck. That was my bad. There we go. Hey, Todd. At least you're staying in the yard this time. I'll go feed Todd real quick.
I also need to buy myself a mower to mow my yard.
There you go, Todd.
See, my thing is, I need to buy some.
What should I take? Should I take my truck? I could take my mule.
Hey, Flower, did you ever buy food for your other animals?
I don't think I have any other animals yet. I can't. I think I couldn't afford more animals.
Well, why don't you buy them? You got the money now.
As far as I know, all I have so far is the chickens.
I have.
Yeah, because this pen is empty. Let me go check the pen in the back. Yeah. And this pen is empty. So yeah, the chickens are all I have so far.
Well, why don't you buy more?
I don't know. I guess I could, but you were wanting me to go look at the fields.
Well, yeah, but at least if you go look at those fields and you're already going to buy more feed, you know.
Okay.
How much is 8 of them? 10. I guess I can afford that. Do the same here. And then that's all I'm gonna be able to afford that wise. But let's see. So this one's 1,000. What about the pallet ones? They didn't need cheaper. 1,000. No, they're the same price.
What?
All I know is I'm not taking my I'm not taking my trailer that way.
Or older ones.
If Flower watched the video, she would know why I don't.
What? Oh, taking the trailer?
I'm gonna pull into Flower's yard here and show her how you actually pull this in. You have to make the wide swing. So sometimes you have to drive off the road onto the other side and you make a wide swing.
Flower wasn't watching, so.
Actually, I'm not gonna take that way because trailer. Pump out. Play with the goats.
Oh, they're different colors. Would you look at that?
You bought a feisty one. I mean, look at it. Got some energy.
I still got enough room for like 17 more.
I mean, it's your choice, but keep in mind, you're gonna need at least 20,000 to buy straw and hay and stuff.
Got it.
Because I bought like 8 bales of straw and 8 bales of hay, and that's like 20,000 together. And I still gotta buy seed. That's gonna be the non-fun part. I'd recommend you bring your trailer.
Well, dudes, I'll get a couple more babies.
Oh boy, I don't know how I'm gonna get around here.
3 more of these. And 3 more of these. Oh, I can only get 2 more. Got it. There. Now that one is full. What's funny is you get these pins
Yeah.
and you fill them up, but it doesn't actually show all the animals.
Oh yeah, I know.
I don't know what that's about.
I think because it can only show so many in here at a time. Oh, your goat here is resting.
What do you mean? There's like no goats around you. They're all down there.
I know, they're right here resting.
No. Where you're at, I see no goats. They're all down at the other end. Boy, that sheep over there is jumping around. Yeah. Jeez, the little ones have some energy. I still need to go. Now I need to go to the back and get the cows. I need to go buy my cows real quick.
To be honest, I'd like to give myself a diesel rig.
I put the cow pin back here because it was the only space I had left for a pin. Wait, I think this is where I collect the manure. Wait, where's the cow purchase thing at?
Keep in mind, cows are expensive,
Got it. Oops.
so you might not want to fill your entire pin up. It's on the other side, by the way.
I was supposed to see what that was. So that's where... So you have to go inside to feed them. Got it.
Yes, you do.
Interesting.
It's over here.
Here we go. What is that? Oh, this is probably the milk where you pick up the milk at,
Yep.
right there. Let's see just how expensive these cows really are. Wow, this barn can fit 10 more than the sheep.
I'm pretty much just gonna feed my cows some straw and hay. Oh man, silage looks expensive. You mean I could have bought the round bells and it would have been cheaper? I'm done. I didn't even notice that. I can top it off. They probably have different sizes. Probably put it out. Okay, so 6,000 if you get round bells, but those are much more of a pain to load.
The adult ones are the expensive ones.
And or if you don't stop, you're not gonna have any extra money for your actual farm.
Are you at my farm?
No, I can see it from here. You have to buy the round bells. Oh, another thing the difference might be between them is the... Yeah, these are bigger, that's why. So, when you buy these, you get more hay. However, the silage one's still pretty expensive. And I think you get to choose your color. You better off doing that stuff yourself. Okay. While Flower spends all her money... Wait, what? Oh, yeah, that's her. Whoa, she's below me now. I'm gonna try to see if I can get to the shop and get loaded. I tried to warn her that she's gonna have to pay a good bit for food, but she didn't listen.
Hey, you said I needed at least 20. I stayed within that.
You technically did, but what are you gonna buy seed with?
What do you mean seed?
You know, it's a plant.
Well, if you look in my front yard, I have like 1 pallet of seed.
Oh, what's that gonna get you? About 1 field?
I don't know why I only have 1 pallet. Oh, actually, I might have actually filled up the cedar already. Let me check. The cedar might, because I don't usually buy just 1 singular bag. So the cedar and planter might be filled up already.
Actually, I could take a different bag. Because this isn't very tall, I think I could fit it, this over here.
It's not going to tell me if it's filled up. Darn. I'd have to hook a trap. Oh, wait. Yeah, this one's got seeds in it. This one does.
Hmm.
So one of them's filled up already. I think it's the planter.
Make sure nobody's coming.
So yeah, that's why I only have 1 bag of seeds in the front. Because the others went in that planter or seed or whatever it is.
And we're gonna go ahead. Make a wide swing into here.
And I still need to get the rest of my chickens fed real quick too. My chickens are almost all fed. I just got like 2 more coops.
That would have been my fault because I didn't look both ways.
Now maybe you're the one that should have your license revoked.
Hey, I'm not the one who went into the water.
Yeah, but you didn't look both ways. At least I do. I mean, it's not like I carelessly went right out in front of people a few times or anything.
Oh. Now that one was just unfair. The guy pulled out while I was turning. I'm thinking this town doesn't like me. Now you do remember the field you gotta go back.
Oh. One of my workers has finished their tasks. Their task. So I have a tractor I'm gonna have to get going again.
I forgot. I forgot to get my checkers. Oops. Oh well, I'll do that when I get back.
So yeah, that one has food, that one has food. This one well, this one probably needs more food. So, these 3.
I wonder if I could pick up just a full side of this.
There we go.
Ooh, I love the book skin.
$7.33. That got almost all of it.
Wrong button.
Finding. Oh, that was close.
I think I can.
And what? Something to do with the hay bale?
Okay, so we should be able to release it.
Ah!
Keep let me pick it up.
I keep having to go back from side to side because I keep accidentally pushing this crate when I want to pick it up.
This one really is a pain. Not being able to go.
Fine. Oh, and now my other worker's done, so now I gotta go get both workers going again. So I gotta get both tractors
Why can't it
moving now.
slide underneath?
Nice. You're looking from the fork's point of view. Ah! Boy, it's like my forklift keeps tilting forward. It's like either the seats are really heavy or my forklift is really weak.
Now I know.
Besides, at least I'm not the one that once starved my animals. Didn't you once starve your animals?
That was because I downloaded a mod that made that possible.
Ah! Got it.
Why do I keep hitting the work button?
So now I'm just gonna use what's left of this to fill up these last two. Get off my forks!
Why can't they pick them up? Okay, if they won't pick them up, then I gotta put them on there the regular way. So then that means I'll use
What?
what?
Ah!
What?
Well, what am I supposed to do?
What do you mean?
I won't get off my forks!
Just do what I do.
What? What?
Do what?
You said just do what I do!
I do this usually. Watch. Well. Boom.
Wait, so you spin around and then back into a pallet of seeds?
Not every plan's perfect, Flower.
Cause yeah, I actually had a little bit of chicken feed left over. Now all my chicken pens are full. Full of feed. Oh, hi Todd. Oops. Just so you know, guys, some of this stuff I believe Glad backed in because I'm not very good with backing up.
Oh, don't be. Oh.
And there we go. This harvester makes my forklifts look puny.
Okay, I think I'm just gonna.
Probably what I'll do. I think I know what I'll do. Hey, Glad!
What?
You have a job!
Yeah.
Because
What's the job?
Speaking of backing things in, you're cheating again!
Yeah, well, I'm gonna have to deal with the hay bales anyway, so I might as well take care of it.
Lad, why do
Yeah?
you need so many hay bales? Oh, it's 8 hay bales. But anyway,
What do you want?
speaking of packing things in, I think I know what I want now.
Yeah?
Whenever you get back, you can take your truck and back this trailer under there with the rest of the stuff.
Okay, how far can that be?
So I'll leave the trailer right here. So then when you get back, you park the trailer under there with the rest of the equipment. It just makes sense for the trailer to go there with the rest of the stuff. So I think that's where I think that's where I want the trailer.
Okay. Well, I shall do. For the record, did you know that, Buck, you want to know Buck's longest video?
What?
His longest video is 23 hours.
Dang.
I'm not joking.
So which fields am I supposed to be going to?
Okay, give me one.
I see 82 and 83. Is it just those two? Is it those two?
Come on.
Ugh.
Trying to, do something. Okay, so, 80, we need to go to 83, 82, and 77.
I don't know why I keep going this way. This isn't the way I usually go. Oh, yeah. Almost forgot. I also have this little piece of field. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna go get my tractors going again real quick before I head over.
Car is that? That was
The plow tractor's just got one more field to plow before it's gotta come over toward my house and do. There's just one field left for the plow tractor before it has to be moved over to the fields near the house. So in this section, there's just one field left. Don't mind me, just not even, though there's no stop sign, so I guess that doesn't matter.
oh,
Gonna get this tractor going. Oops. Okay, yeah, it's still got plenty of gas. We're good.
honestly, this makes it look like it's
Wage payment. I don't even have a worker yet. There. Got the plow going again. Now to go get the disc tractor. Geez, couldn't get my truck to move for a second.
I'm gonna go ahead and make a movie with this.
Boy, this worker made a lot of tracks.
And then put everything here.
There. Now both tractors are going again. Now I can head off to the shop. I don't know if the bus actually stopped, but that's probably where the car was turning.
With the yeah, I fell off.
Now I'm heading off to the shop. This is the way I usually take. Minus hitting the pole. Okay, no, I think it's straight. Lad would usually used to go like this way and then cut right through there.
At the moment, I'm trying to safely put my hay bales on the truck. Oh, Flower's gonna love seeing this.
This lag better not be trying to attempt to make me go into the river again.
Flower's just in time. You like it?
I mean, I guess I don't have to go check out the field since you never. Hi.
You like my load?
Why do you need so many hay bales?
Just to make sure.
Also, I think your chicken food is getting smushed.
Oh, I'm sure it is.
Also, you're holding up traffic.
So are you? Go check the fields out.
I was gonna say that I guess I don't have to go check the fields out since you never told me which ones they were.
Just keep going forward.
But it looks like it's 82 and 83.
Yeah.
Hey, it's McDonald's. Why must have made a McDonald's there?
Oh no, I think it's just moved in. Now you need to go to 77.
77? What about 83?
83 was just one of the ones.
Oh, wait. This is 83. I meant to say, what about 82?
It's just over there.
But you can't even go inside it, bro. Like, it's literally just pictures on the windows.
Yeah, and
Not even that realistic. Manage production point. And it's literally, I'm pressing like R and it's not doing anything. I didn't just drive over a curb, so don't ask.
very good. We still have.
So what's with 82 then?
Oh, I bought that one for something else, and I just never got to it.
Okay. So where did I go? Like 72?
No, 77.
77. Oh yeah, I see it down there now. Looks like something ginormous has been paved into it. Let's see what this lake man has been up to. If I could figure out how to get there.
There's my dog, of which I'm not gonna say his name.
Okay, looks like all I gotta do is just keep going straight down this road. Oh, nope. This way. My bad.
Let's see.
There we go. So it looks like I just gotta keep going down this way.
This can't lift it, then I'll just have to throw them.
I think I see it. Whoa. That was close. Let's see what this is supposed to be. Is this like AutoZone? I remember seeing AutoZone on Vlad's thing. It's a Home Depot. Interesting. But it's like blurry.
Well, maybe for you it is.
See?
Oh, wow.
This parking lot is empty. Is this Home Depot shut down? I've never seen such an empty parking lot. Hello?
I thought Meadow meant.
Huh? I said the parking lot is empty. Is this Home Depot shut down?
Oh, it's completely shut
I've
down.
never seen the parking lot so empty. There's a little bit of gravel up there on the pavement, though. This would be like a good ramp for doing trick stuff.
It was a pain in the smack to find something up.
Do my lights work yet? No, I don't think they're working still. Darn. My lights
So
are
Meadow is not what I thought. I think it's just cut grass is what it is.
I didn't have to put the metal in my place. I just clicked add metal. I don't know why you didn't do that. It gives you the option to just let it automatically put the metal in there.
What do you mean?
When I built it, it asked me if I wanted the metal automatically put in there, and I just clicked yes. Now to get my hay bales. I mean, I'm gonna park at the shop first, then order them. Or buy them.
No, reverse, reverse.
No parking. Got it.
So we'll go ahead.
I don't know if I hit that fire hydrant or not, actually. I need to get... Probably when I get back, I should probably have Glad give me a ride back to the shop so I can pick up my car. I don't know why I'm leaving it here.
I could probably just drive straight into there.
Guys, I don't think Glad ever disabled it. So... Anyway. I'm just gonna go... Oh, wrong menu, I think. Where would the hay bales be?
I'm just gonna use this.
Hay bales, hay bales. Aha! Oh, hay bales. Why'd you get both the hay and the straw? Like, is it one of them, like the cows or something needs the straw and the sheep need the wheat or something? I mean, hay? Hello?
Yeah, well, they're supposed to do both.
No, I meant, how do you do it with both exactly? What are you talking about? You mix them in? Or you mix them together or something? What are you doing?
Moving.
I'm trying to understand this.
As am I. Is this supposed to go somewhere else or something?
You're supposed to mix them?
Or am I supposed to undo the bell or something? Like, I can't figure out what's going on here.
It's supposed to be going on the outside like that. No, I'm talking about the hay on the ground. Maybe you're not supposed to mix it.
Well, we're just gonna leave this in here anyway.
I think you got like 8 of each.
Wait, what? Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! Hold on!
Now who's the one getting it tipped? Hey, Glad is complaining to me about getting in predicaments. I'll have to do 6 of each.
Reset.
Oh, wait, I gotta go home and get my trailer. I don't want to hop in Glad's truck. Ugh. No, I don't want to get in the car.
No. Stop!
Why do you keep closing it?
I don't. It's when you hit that button.
Exactly, you're hitting the button, which is closing it.
Yeah, because I'm trying to move.
I forgot I need my trailer. Oh, it's starting to snow. I forgot I was gonna need my trailer. So you can't back my trailer, and I forgot about my freaking trailer.
Alright, I think I'm gonna end it here because I clearly need to figure out what to do there. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you all in the next one. Later, guys.
Why are you ending it? Wait, how long has it been? Oh, 45 minutes. Maybe we should be ending on. I guess I'll just work on getting my hay bales home, and then we could feed the cows in the next video. Oh, and the sheep. So basically, it's getting dark actually. But basically, I think I'll just get the bales home for today, and then the next video will feed the cows and sheep. But without further ado, I think that's gonna do it for now. I'll see you all soon. So goodbye.